everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change password in Roblox. So for that, open the Roblox application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the icon on the bottom right corner, the icon within a circle, tap that. And here you need to scroll down and tap on settings. In the setting, you tap on account info, tap that. In the account info, you will have the username option. At this side, you tap on edit icon of username, insufficient font. You need 1000 more to change your username. Would you like to buy more Robux? So basically, you can change your username once at a time in Roblox, which will be free for you to use. But if you want to change your Roblox username once again, you will need to buy it, which will cost you 1000 tokens. So this is how you will be able to change it. You just need to tap on the edit icon and there you will be able to provide a new username for your Roblox. Some username might already be taken, so you need to keep trying a different one. Hope this video was useful on how to change the username in Roblox. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.